Want to know the key ingredients you should have on hand if you're following the Mediterranean diet? Well, I'll be happy to give you a big list to post on the fridge in the PDF, but I bet what you're really interested in is learning which foods can help you solve a health problem. The good news, whether you're concerned about heart health, losing weight, diabetes, or keeping your brain, your eyes, your bones, and your gut healthy, there are ingredients in the Mediterranean diet that can help with those things. Or if you're like me and you just want to stay as healthy as you can as we age, there's a whole bunch of tasty ingredients for you too. So let's head to My Mercado and see what people here in the Med buy every day. I don't know if they planned it this way when they built this market in 1912, but the same ingredients that are the foundation of the Mediterranean diet are located on the bottom floor of this market too. So let's head down to the biggest part of the Mediterranean diet and start with fruits and veggies. If you eat enough of them, it's like taking a multivitamin. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. City markets like this one can be pretty hectic, noisy, and big fun. Most people shop every day, so eating fresh seasonal stuff is the norm. Plus, it's impossible not to be inspired when you're walking around this century-old Mecca with 300 stalls of fabulous food. It's the best playground I could ever dream up. The whole atmosphere just makes it extra easy to get in those 5 a day, every day. Trying to shed a few pounds? There are two things you should be shopping for. Food that's high in fiber and low in calories. And these aisles and these booths are full of them. The bonus is they make you feel fuller longer too. Or if you're trying to manage blood sugar, then you already know to shoot for low glycemic index veggies like green beans, mushrooms, broccoli, and asparagus to add to your cart. If you care about eye health, then pick up some carrots or sweet potatoes loaded with beta-carotene. Or these tomatoes, they're full of lycopene, and leafy greens like this spinach and chard are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which lowers the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. There's a reason why we're always told to eat the rainbow. Eat enough different colors and you'll be getting all sorts of different nutrients. Berries protect your brain from stress and inflammation. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons packed with vitamin C are great immunity boosters. And if you're looking for a healthy snack, Mediterranean favorites like figs and dates provide fiber, antioxidants, and a natural energy boost. If you caught my latest community post, then you know I don't need to buy figs. Our trees at the farm are loaded with them right now. But dates, I definitely need some of these for smoothies, snacks, salads, and desserts. If you've ever visited a grocery store in Spain, you'll notice that the fresh seafood counter is huge. And it's the same here. More than 100 fish stalls with more varieties of fish than I've ever seen in my life, especially fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. And enjoying plenty of omega-3 rich fish in your diet can protect against cognitive decline and dementia. Not a bad side effect, right? But it's not all about omega-3 rich fish. Whitefish and shellfish provide lean protein too, that are important for maintaining muscle mass as we age. So make sure you give these a try. Beans and legumes are the #1 source of protein in the Mediterranean. And here's my favorite bean lady. I always learn something new from her, like how these black lentils have more protein than other lentils, or how she thinks that these yellow lentils cook up nicer than the red. They're a super protein source that can be a big help in losing weight and diabetes by slowing down digestion and maybe even help reduce that chance of overeating. Are you noticing a pattern here? The Mediterranean diet provides all sorts of options to help with your health issues. If you don't like one ingredient on the list, there are others that can help just as much that you'll find in the PDF, which you can link from the description below. In the meantime, I'm using my book to check out what things I want to have. And if you're looking for even more details about this diet, my new book includes all sorts of other helpful information about the best ways to get started on the Mediterranean diet, including a super simple to follow 30-day Kickstart plan. The Mediterranean diet includes plenty of these fiber-rich whole grain complex carbs, and you should and can eat them every day. Is there anything easier to include in a healthy diet than a handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds? I top almost every salad with my personally curated nuts and seed mix because they're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and lots of vitamins and minerals. Despite what the experts used to say about dietary cholesterol in eggs, research now shows that it's not the bad guy we once thought it was. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein and contain all 9 essential amino acids. We're going to take a quick whirl around the top floor. Before George started practicing a no saturated fat diet to reduce his cholesterol, we used to spend a fair amount of time up here, but now, not so much. But there are wonderful cheeses and beautiful cuts of meat for that occasional treat. And of course, my favorite chicken vendor. Before we started our market visit, I mentioned the PDF, and it's got a full list of Mediterranean diet foods. And if you really want to lean into whatever your health issue you're most concerned about is, you'll find some specific suggestions for foods to eat, like what you want to power up on to lower your cholesterol, or low glycemic foods to help with blood sugar levels. I hope this video has given you a better idea of why the Mediterranean diet continues to lead the pack of healthy ways to eat every day. And if you're looking for more help, you might want your own copy of my brand new book on Amazon. It's a small, portable toolbox that arms you with everything you need to know about the Mediterranean diet. Thanks for watching. See you soon.